as you can see, it says a white precipitate of BiOCl was formed during the following reaction. You have BiCl plus H2O, we give you BiOCl plus 2HCl. And then the question is, the BiOCl, which is this one here, precipitates will disappear on adding drops of A, H2O, HCl, NH3, NaOH. So which of these am I going to add to this equation for this to be able to disappear? First of all, you should know that this is under equilibrium in chemistry, chemical equilibrium. Now, what is the effect here? In chemical equilibrium, A plus B will give us, for instance, C plus D. And C and D reacting will also give us what? A plus B. So the either side can be the what? Product. But if this is in equilibrium, there are some certain factors that is going to affect this equilibrium position. Number one is pressure. Number two is temperature. Number three is concentration of any of the substance. And last one is catalyst. We also have other one, but for JAMB, that is 4, as you should know. Now, here, this question is talking about concentration because we want to add something on this particular reaction and what is going to disappear. I get him. But what do we mean by concentration? Concentration is the known amount of a substance. Is that what we mean by concentration? Now, remember that A plus B giving you C plus D is happening in a container. Let's say this is a container. I get it. So you put in the reaction. So this reaction is in a container. It's not just written. I get me. Now, assuming A plus B, AB is here and CD is in this reaction, and then I throw in C. I want to explain concentration for you. I throw in C into this reaction. Already we have A plus B and C plus D in the reaction. Now I added more C in this reaction. What is going to happen? You find out that the concentration of C inside this reaction is going to be more. I get me. And because of that, if C is going to be more, if C is going to be more, you find out that the equilibrium position is no longer maintained. To maintain that normal equilibrium, D is going to react more with C. I get me. So C was added. We now have CC. Now D is going to react more with C. And if D reacts more with C, in order to produce AB to maintain the equilibrium. Now what you have to know is that as D is reacting with C, D is disappearing. I get me, because there's not enough of D again to be able to give you C. There's no what? Enough of what? D again to give you what? C, but C is now enough. Why D is limited? So the D, which is 1, is going to be reacting more with this to produce it, and hence the equilibrium is going to move to the left hand side. The equilibrium is going to do what? Move to the what? Left hand side. Whereas if I should add B in this chemical reaction that is going on, A plus B giving us C plus D, if I should add B here, you find out that B on this side is going to increase, and because of that, A is going to react more with B, and if as A is reacting more with B, A is disappearing because A is limited when compared to what? B. Now that I've added B, so the concentration of B is now more higher. Remember that concentration means what? Known amount of a what? Of a substance, or a volume of a what? Substance. Now A is going to be disappearing because A will try to react more with B to give us what? C and what? D, and because of that, the equilibrium is going to shift to the what? Right hand side. Addition of A again, if I should add A on this place, you find out that A is going to be more B and the equation will shift, so B is going to be disappear. Now let's look at our equation one more time. What do we have? BiCl plus H2O giving you BiOCl plus 2HO. Now which of these are you going to add to make this one to disappear? You already know what is that. How can this one disappear? It says the BiOCl precipitate will disappear on adding drops of, so this one should disappear. Which are you going to add? Remember, you're going to add what? HCl. Are you getting it? That is the concentration. So the concentration of HCl must be more, so that this BiOCl, when reacting with HCl that you have added, is going to be disappearing because there is just enough. It's not sufficient to like when compared to HCl that is remaining, and because of that, this will going to be produced, and this is going to be what? The is not going to be under this reaction. The concentration of this on the reaction is going to remain what? Small. So if I should add what now? HCl, this is going to what? Add. Now let's go. Option A says H2O. Where is H2O here? This is H2O. So if I should add H2O on this particular reaction, what's going to happen? H2O will be more, and BiCl will try to react with it. On so doing, BiCl is going to what? Is going to be disappearing, and that's not the question. We are looking for what? Disappearing of BiOCl, which is this one. So this one is not correct. Now option A say HCl. Now when you say HCl, that is this one. As you can see, HCl when adding to it, it is going to what? Make this one to what? Disappear. What about NH3? Doesn't matter, it's not here. What about NH? It's not here. So do you understand? So if you want to join my WhatsApp online class, we tutor JAMB, no matter how limited the time is, you can still learn and pass your JAMB. 350 plus in JAMB. WhatsApp me on 081 539 57022, or you can consider adding plus 234 if you're in another country. Please, we make you to understand your chemistry at fingertip, physics at fingertip, biology at fingertip, English at fingertip, mathematics at your what? Fingertip. Do not fail. If you also have someone that is going to write JAMB this year or going to write JAMB next year or still in school who does not understand anything that we tutor in school, we have our online class SS1, sorry, from SS2 to SS3. Why? Because from SS2 you have already choose whether you're going to be in art or in science. What? So your classes are going to be prepared. Now for this JAMB 2026 and WAEC 26, don't forget to WhatsApp me. The price is 5,000. The price is what? 5,000 to join our WhatsApp online class. Thank you, and don't forget to share this video and let me know what you think on the comment section. Mind you, I want to ask you a question now. We have A plus D giving us M plus N. So now, in this equation, I want to ask you, how can I make N here to disappear? How can I make N to disappear? Put it on the comment section. How can I make, if you already understand, how can I make N to disappear? And if you have watched to this point, how can I make N to disappear? See you on my next video.